Happy 18th birthday, anak. Ang may papayo ko lang sa'yo, mag-aral kang mabuti dahil yan lang ang tanging may papamana namin sa'yo ng iyong ama. Dahil 18 ka na, huwag lalaki ang ulo, magpakabait, huwag lalaban sa magulang. Narating mo na yung edad na 18 mo na, so ibig sabihin, nagmamatured ka na. Anak, happy 18th birthday ulit. Sana mabuhay ka ng marami, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
'Cause I got confidence, my strength is permanent. 'Cause I am fearless, fearless, fearless. 'Cause I feel confidence, my power's limitless. 'Cause I am fearless, fearless, fearless. 'Cause I got confidence.
Hi Nicole! Gusto kong malaman mo na masaya akong umattend dito sa party mo at nag-wish ako ng sana ngayong 18 ka na, mas maging matured ka pa. Yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay mo, sana lahat maabot mo. Yun ang wish ko at saka good health and success. Happy birthday ulit!
Happy birthday, Ate Nicole. May God bless you. And sana lahat ng wishes mo is matupad at ganun din sa iyong mga dream. At sana lumaki ka pong strong, independent woman po. At yun lang. Happy birthday, Ate Nicole. Happy birthday, Ate Nicole.
Happy birthday Nicole! Sana tumangkad ka pa.
'Cause I got confidence, my strength is permanent. 'Cause I am fearless, fearless, fearless. 'Cause I feel confidence, my power's limitless. 'Cause I am fearless, fearless, fearless. 'Cause I got confidence. I got confidence. I am powerful. I am beautiful. I am good enough. I am powerful. I'm invincible. I am strong enough.
Ay mahal, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa nagtagal tayo sa pagsasama natin. Pasensya mo na ako kung inaaway kita. Pero maraming salamat talaga. Happy birthday, mahal. Love you.
'Cause I feel confidence, my power's limitless. 'Cause I am fearless, fearless, fearless. 'Cause I got confidence. I got confidence. There's a power deep inside me. I can feel it rise up in me, and I find the strength to carry on through.